Welcome back to DuAn&Blake, real English skills for you to take. Living with a roommate isn't always easy. What rules do you need? Today, DuAn&Blake figure it out. Using real English, you can use it too.
Hey Blake, can we go over our room rules a bit more?
More rules already? Man, are you trying to be my RA?
RA?
Resident assistant. They're like the dorm police. Students who check if we behave.
No, just your roommate.
Alright, roomie. Hit me with it.
Pause for some quick notes. In U.S. dorms, an RA means
Resident assistant.
they're students who live there and supervise and help younger students. Now, while we're here, let's check a phrase too. Hit me with it doesn't mean real hitting. It's a casual way to say, go ahead, tell me, I'm ready. Alright, back to the roommates.
First, quiet hours. After 11 at night, we should keep things low.
Yeah, I can do that. Headphones after 11.
And if one of us is sleeping, the other can use a desk lamp instead of the big light.
So no midnight disco ball?
No disco ball.
Fine. Guess I'll cancel the rave.
Alright. About guests, you can invite friends, of course. Just send me a text first.
Same for you. Quick text. Done.
And overnight guests, we should both agree first.
Definitely. The last thing I want is to wake up and see a stranger at my desk.
Don't worry, I won't bring an army.
Good? I like knowing who's coming in.
Now, cleaning, I think we should have a schedule.
A schedule? Like, Monday you sweep, Tuesday I mop? Are you about to put up a chore chart on the wall?
No, not like that. I don't mean military orders.
Good, 'cause I don't shine boots.
No, I just mean, we should take the trash out every day. It smells if we wait.
Every day? Isn't that too much?
Not really. Whoever goes out can just take it.
So I'm the trash guy every time I head to the gym?
Only if the bin is full. And if it's your pizza box, it's your turn.
Fair. Okay, trash every day.
And bigger cleaning. We should do it once a week. I don't want the room to get messy.
Fair, so when? Wait, please don't say Saturday morning.
Saturday afternoon. Before the weekend gets too busy.
Afternoon, huh? What if there's a game?
We can plan around it. But it should be Saturday.
Alright, Saturday afternoon cleanup. I can live with that.
Listen to how they use the modal verbs should and can. Should is for suggestions or a good idea.
We should take the trash out every day. But it should be Saturday.
Can is for permission or ability, what's possible. We can clean on Saturday.
We can plan around it.
Easy to remember. Should gives advice. Can gives choice. Try making your own rules with them. Listen for should and can as the roommates finish their deal.
What about stuff like chargers or books?
We should always ask first. Even for small things.
So no sneaky charger thefts.
Yes. And return it right after.
I promise I won't kidnap your pen.
Good. Food in the room is fine, but we shouldn't leave snacks or leftovers open.
Yeah, no bug parties.
Exactly. And maybe we should keep our food separate. Unless we share.
If you ever bring cookies, you should share.
We'll see.
I'll take that as a yes.
Also, there are things we both need. Like cleaning spray or paper towels.
True, but we don't have those yet.
We can get them later.
Alright. Add it to the list. Alright, let me get this straight. Quiet after 11, text before guests, trash every day, Saturday afternoon cleanup, no borrowing without asking, food rules, and shopping later.
That's right.
Man, you're organized. Feels like I just signed a contract.
Haha. Want me to write one up? I can make it official.
Haha, nah, I'm good. No signatures needed.
Ah, your loss. I had a pen ready.
Alright. Rules noted.
Today, DuAn and Blake set some room rules. Quiet hours, cleaning, borrowing, and more. Did you hear the modal verbs? Should for advice or suggestions. We should take out the trash. Can for permission or possibilities. We can clean on Saturday. Now it's your turn. Imagine you have a roommate. What 3 rules would you make? Share them in the comments using should or can. Go ahead, make your rules. See you next time.